do people have to be so mean?
Oh,
I
I
spent
see.
hours
Can't
editing this
believe it.
photo. I finally felt good, and someone commented, "Try harder. You look tired." Like, excuse me? Who asked you?
Ouch. That stings. It feels so personal when it's your appearance. But was it maybe their weird, clumsy way of suggesting something?
Clumsy? It's just rude. Or they're jealous. Honestly, if someone said that to me, I'd clap back instantly. Better to look tired than look like you. Boom. Mic drop.
Hold on, everyone. Before we start a fire, Alex, let's take a breath. Criticism isn't a monolith. Some of it helps us grow, some of it stings for absolutely no reason. The real superpower is learning which is which. We need a filter. First, there's constructive criticism. Specific, focused, like a coach refining your technique. Then there's jealous criticism, born out of envy, designed to shrink you. Biased criticism, when someone projects their own issues onto you. And finally, careless criticism, just words tossed out without thought, like litter.
Okay, but when I'm in the moment, how do I know if it's useful advice or just garbage noise?
Think of it like checking a mirror. A clean mirror shows you your real reflection. That's fair, actionable feedback. But a cracked mirror? It distorts everything. Jealousy and bias are cracked mirrors. They reflect the critic's flaws, not yours.
Oh, so if I hear your presentation was confusing, I check the mirror. Is it clean, telling me where I lost them? Or is it cracked, just someone who wasn't paying attention?
Exactly. If it's cracked, toss the mirror. If it's clean, polish up your slides, yes.
Okay, I get the mirror thing. But here's my real question. Why does it hurt so much? Even when I know the criticism might be useful, the clean mirror, I still feel attacked. I feel crushed.
That is the core of it, Sarah. It hurts because we instinctively tie our work to our worth. When someone criticizes what we've done, our brain translates it as, "You are not good enough."
It feels like an attack on my very soul. My brain goes straight to defense mode.
And that triggers our fight or flight response. To handle this, we need to install a pause button. When criticism hits, don't react immediately. Don't type that clapback. Don't apologize profusely. Just pause. Breathe. Let the emotional wave crash and recede before you analyze the content. Acknowledge the feeling, but don't let it drive the car.
Once we're calm, we can look at it objectively, like the sculptor, right?
Precisely. Imagine you're a block of marble. Constructive criticism is the sculptor's chisel. Each tap is intentional, shaping you into something stronger. But you have to separate the message from the messenger and the work from your worth.
Okay, but what about when the feedback is uselessly vague? My manager always says, "Your work needs more energy." What does that even mean? It's like a blurry mirror.
Excellent point. Vague criticism is frustrating. When that happens, you must dig for clarity. Don't ask why they are saying it. That sounds defensive. Ask what they observed.
So I say, I want to add more energy. Can you give me a specific example of where the previous work fell short?
Exactly. You turn vague judgment into specific behavior.
You know, sometimes the harshest mirror isn't other people. It's the voice in my own head. It's always cracked.
The internal critic. The most persistent one. We must apply the same filter to ourselves. When you mess up, are you a sculptor saying, "Okay, let's fix this angle"? Or are you just smashing the marble saying, "I'm worthless"?
Definitely smashing the marble.
And here's the final, crucial step. You are not just the marble, Sarah. You are also the master artist. You listen to the sculptor's advice, but you hold the final blueprint. Does their feedback align with your vision and your values? If yes, adapt. If no, you have the right to thank them politely and stick to your path.
Okay, I like that. I'm the master artist. I decide what fits my blueprint.
So let's summarize the toolkit. Pause your reaction. Check the mirror, cracked, clean, or blurry, and consult your blueprint. Ready to practice?
All right, let's test it. Situation 1. Your boss gives you that vague feedback. This project lacks focus.
Basic me would go, but I tried so hard. I barely slept.
Modern me would hit the pause button, then say, "Thanks for the feedback. Can you clarify which sections specifically felt unfocused so I can tighten them up?" Polite seeks clarity, boom.
Excellent, Alex. Seeking clarity invites constructive dialogue.
Okay, next round. You're with friends, and one of them says, "Man, you always interrupt people when you get excited."
Basic, I do not. You interrupt people way more than I do.
Modern. Oof, really? I didn't realize. I'll watch out for that.
That acknowledgement, Emma, turns potential conflict into connection.
Third one, the online trolls. Someone comments, "This is the worst thing I've ever seen. Quit now."
Basic me? I'm writing a 5-paragraph essay destroying their existence.
Modern me? Cracked mirror. I don't even reply. Trolls feed on reaction. Starve them.
Exactly. You don't need to attend every argument you're invited to.
Last test. When criticism gets mean. Not just a troll, but someone you know crossing a line. How would you handle it, coach?
The basic reply is emotional. Why are you being so horrible? But the modern response sets a boundary. I am open to hearing feedback, but I require the conversation to remain respectful. We can resume when you're ready to do that.
Boundaries, not battles. Love it.
Okay, so this try harder, you look tired comment.
Toss it. Cracked mirror. Burn the phone.
I think it's blurry and careless. The delivery was terrible, so I'm ignoring the attitude. But maybe I have been pushing myself too hard. I'll use the tiny bit of useful information that I might need a break and discard the rest. I'm the master artist, and this artist needs a break and pizza.
Now that's feedback I can get behind.
Remember, criticism is like fire. It can cook your food, refine your skills, and fuel your growth, or it can burn your house down, destroying your confidence. The difference isn't the fire itself, it's how you manage the flame. So choose wisely which words you let shape you, and which ones you simply let drift away like smoke.